there, and welcome back to the Keto Garden channel. I'm Tatiana, and today we're talking about something that's near and dear to my heart: snacks. Specifically, keto snacks that are easy, quick, and perfect for teachers on the go. Whether you're looking for a mid-morning pick-me-up, a post-workout snack, or something to munch on your commute, these 5 keto snacks have got you covered. So, let's get started. This breakfast snack is both delicious and healthy. Just layer some Greek yogurt with fresh berries, nuts, a drizzle of keto-friendly maple syrup, and there you have it, a delicious, nutritious snack that'll keep you energized and focused throughout the day. Now, if you're in the mood for something sweet, I recommend trying Lilly's dark chocolate-covered almonds. These are a great option for satisfying your sweet tooth while staying on track with your keto diet. They're made with rich dark chocolate and crunchy almonds, and they're sweetened with stevia, so they're sugar-free. So next time you're craving something sweet, give Lilly's dark chocolate-covered almonds a try. Another great option for a quick and easy keto snack is celery with Justin's almond butter. You can find individual packets of both celery and almond butter at most grocery stores or online. Celery is low in carbs and high in fiber, while almond butter is a good source of healthy fats and protein, making this a perfectly balanced keto snack option. Another great keto snack that's easy to make is pepperoni crisps and cheese. Simply place some pepperoni slices on a plate and microwave them until they're crispy. Then pair them with some cheese for a tasty, satisfying snack. You can even try different types of cheese to mix it up and add some variety to your snack routine. For a healthy and filling snack, slice an avocado in half, remove the pit, and sprinkle with garlic, salt, and pepper. Scoop out the creamy goodness with a spoon and enjoy. Avocados are packed with healthy fats and fiber, making them a great choice for a keto diet. Thank you for watching this video on 5 quick and easy keto snacks for busy teachers. We hope you found these ideas helpful for keeping your energy up throughout the day without sacrificing your health goals. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more healthy and delicious recipes. And as always, let us know in the comments below what your favorite keto snacks are, or if there's a recipe you'd like us to feature in our next video. See you next time!